you've already listened to our book. So our next step is to do our circle activity. So you should have these 2 sheets with pictures on them. And then you should also have a little Ziploc bag that came with smaller pictures already cut out. So like I said during the circle book activity or video, your activity today is going to be finding pictures of things that go together. So pretty much like we talked about in the book, finding things that go together. So like here on the first page, we saw that she had socks and shoes. Socks and shoes go together. So to do this activity, there are some different ways depending on what level your child is at. So my first suggestion would be to hold up 2 items and show them the picture. Look, I see a sock. What goes with a sock? And hold up 2 items. Does a shoe go with a sock or does an apple go with a sock? Get the one that goes with the sock. You're right, the shoe goes with the sock. And then they would have to put it next to the thing that it goes with. Another way to do it, if your child isn't quite ready for that yet, is to kind of tell them, look it, that's a sock. You know what goes with a sock? A shoe. A shoe goes with a sock. Get the shoe. They would get the shoe, and then they would have to put it on next to the sock. So let's just practice one sheet, and what I'm gonna do is hold up the 2 pictures. We'll get the item that goes with the picture on this side, and we'll put it next to it. So let's do our first one. Friends, I see a sock. What goes with a sock? Can you show me which picture goes with a sock? Is it a shoe or a snowman? You're right, a shoe. A shoe goes with a sock. Let's put next to sock. Our next one I see is a letter. I see a letter. What could go with a letter? Does a whisk go with a letter? Or does a mailbox go with a letter? Which one goes with a letter? You're right, a mailbox. We put a letter in the mailbox. Those 2 things go together. So we're going to put it next to the letter. The letter and the mailbox go together. Our next picture that I see is a tree. It's a Christmas tree. It already has the star on top. So we need to find something that goes with the Christmas tree. I see ornaments and an apple. Which one goes with a Christmas tree? You're right, ornaments go with a Christmas tree. We put ornaments on the tree. So let's put it next to the tree. All right, our next picture is, what's that? It's a bowl. So we need to find something that goes with the bowl. Does a whisk or a snowman go with a bowl? The whisk goes with a bowl. Do you remember in our book? And whoever's doing this activity with the child can refer back to the video of me reading the story, but these are all within the story. Look, I see a bowl and a whisk. They're using it to make cookies. So the whisk is going to go next to the bowl. Our last picture is the reindeer. Which one goes with a reindeer? The snowman or an apple? I'll give you a hint. It's something that the reindeer eats. What would the reindeer eat? You're right, an apple. It goes with an apple. The reindeer eat the apple just like in the story. Let's find the page. There it is, look. He is feeding, or she is feeding the apple to the reindeer. Those 2 things go together. So good job, friends. So what you can do is complete this one, and then you could also complete this extra sheet, and you can try doing the activity different ways. If you feel like holding up 2 items is easy for your child, you could try to lay out 3 in front of them like this. Or like I said before, if you don't think they're ready to even identify between the 2 items, you can just hold up the one target item. Example for shoe and the sock. You would hold up just the shoe and tell them, look, the shoe goes with the sock. Get the shoe. and give them the direction to put next to it. If you have any questions while you're completing this activity, feel free to reach out to myself or to Chelsea, and we can help you complete it. Thank you guys, and see you later.